Pot lids are an essential kitchen accessory that every home cook needs. There are many products available to choose pot lids, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best pot lids from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Modern Innovations Universal Lid with Tempered Glass Top. The Modern Innovations Universal Lid is a space-saver kitchen accessory that fits August 25th 12-inch pots and pans, making it easy to replace multiple lids. Made of high-grade stainless steel, it is rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe. The tempered glass top allows you to monitor your cooking process, while the vented hole helps to expel excess moisture. Withstanding up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, the lid's sturdy handle makes it easy to pick up, but use caution as it can get hot. Number 2. Modern Innovations Universal Lids. The Modern Innovations Universal Lids set of 2 is a space-saving solution that fits 7 to 12-inch cookware. Made of food-grade silicone, it's non-toxic, chemical-free, and BPA-free. The stay-cool handle is coated in heat-resistant silicone, while the clear glass top with a ventilation hole allows for easy viewing of your food while cooking. The universal design fits a variety of cookware and is dishwasher-safe, making it easy to organize and clean. Number 3. Ecolution Universal Lid for Pots and Pans. The Ecolution Universal Lid is a versatile and space-saving addition to your kitchen. Designed to fit multiple sizes of cookware from 9.5 inches to 12 inches, this lid can be used with fry pans, pots, saucepans, skillets, and more. The transparent, tempered glass allows you to easily monitor your food as it cooks, without the need to remove the lid. The vented design helps release excess moisture and pressure, preventing accidental spillovers while locking in the moisture and flavors of your food. Made with high-quality, durable tempered glass and a heat-resistant silicone edge, this lid is both safe and long-lasting. Cleaning up is a breeze as it is dishwasher-safe. With the Ecolution Universal Lid, you can replace worn-out or missing lids without having to buy new cookware, saving you money. Number 4. Wolfos Universal Lid. The Wolfos Universal Lid is a set of 2 pan lids made of tempered glass and food-grade silicone, designed to fit all 7-inch to 12 diameter cookware. The lids have a heat-resistant silicone rim, a cool touch handle, and a steam vent to release excess moisture and pressure. They are easy to clean and maintain, dishwasher-safe, and come with a 100% money-back guarantee. Number 5. Universal Lid for Pots, Pans, and Skillets. Introducing the Kamakuru Universal Lid, the perfect solution for all your cookware needs. This versatile lid is designed to fit a wide range of cookware, including skillets, fry pans, saucepans, stock pots, and woks. Made from premium tempered glass and food-grade silicone, it provides a safer and stronger alternative to regular glass lids. The steam vent design prevents spillovers and minimizes moisture loss during cooking. The transparent glass allows you to conveniently monitor the cooking progress without removing the lid. Cleaning is a breeze as it is dishwasher-safe, and the flat design saves valuable storage space in your kitchen. Experience the versatility and convenience of the Kamakuru Universal Lid and make your kitchen experience more enjoyable and satisfying.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.